Assalamu alaikum, dear Arabic learners. I am Afifa and I welcome you to today's Quranic Arabic Simplified lesson number 17, which summarizes the last few lessons on case endings of Arabic nouns called Arab. If you missed a lesson, you can easily find them with the playlists Quranic Arabic Simplified or Madinah Arabic Shortened. Let us now begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So let's summarize what we have been learning in the last few lessons about Arabic nouns ending with case endings. So they describe the state. Okay, so the first state is a raf, is when the end or last letter of a word takes a dhamma or dhammatan, which means two dhammas. So baitun is indefinite and al-baitu is definite. So, and the next state is called an-nasb, okay, which is when the end or last letter of a word takes a fatha or fatatan, which means two fathas. For example, baitan, which is indefinite, and al-baita, which ends with a fatha ending. Okay, and the final state that we studied is al-jar, which is when the end or last letter of a word takes a kasra or kasratan, which means two kasras. So it is baitin, which is indefinite, or al-baiti, where it ends with a single kasra. So when an ism, now which is a noun, is in the state of raf, it is called marfooun. When the ism is in the state of nasb, it is called mansubun. And when an ism is in the state of jar, it is called majrurun. So please try this on your own. What is the state of this noun Muhammadun? It is in the state of raf. Why? Because it ends with a tanween dhamma. What is the state of this noun Muhammadan? It is in the state of nasb. Why? Because it ends with a tanween fatha. What about the state Muhammadin? It is in the state of jar, because it ends with tanween kasra. So please try to identify the cases for these words given here on your own. I will go over the first one with you. So for example, Muslimun is marfu'un, Musliman is mansubun, and Muslimin is majrurun. And for the feminine case, a ta marbuta has been added. Sometimes a ta marbuta can be a sign of feminine gender, and inshallah we will study gender more in a separate lesson. But for now, that is enough for you to understand that this is feminine, and it is muslimatun, which is marfu'un, muslimatan, which is mansubun, and for the majroor case, it is muslimatin. Okay, that is the majroor. So you can try the rest of these on your own. So the vocabulary here is sadiqun, which means one who's truthful. Alimun is a scholar. Mu'minun is a believer. Mudarrisun is a teacher. Kafirun is obviously a disbeliever. Kadhibun is a liar. And mushrik comes from shirk. One who does shirk, from that word comes mushrik, which is associating partners with Allah. So please try this on your own to put them in the mansubun and majrurun case. So far, we have seen that Arabic nouns indicate their function in the sentence by their endings. And we have said these are case endings called Arab. Another term used for this is the declension of nouns. We say that Arabic nouns are declinable. Okay, so once again, what are they? These endings are three. They are with the dhamma to indicate the nominative case, which we said is in the state of raf. And a noun with this ending is called Marfooun. The fatha is to indicate the accusative case, which is an-nasb. A noun with this ending is called Mansubun. And we said the kasra is used to indicate the genitive case of al-jar. And a noun with this ending is called majrurun. So let's take a look at some examples. The first sentence here is ذهب محمد إلى السوق. Muhammad went to the market. So ذهب is a verb and it means he went. So who's the subject of this verb? It is Muhammadun. And the marker of this subject role for Muhammad in this sentence is the Dhamma ending. It ends with the Tanween Dhamma. And we say it is Marfooun. It is in the nominative case. Okay? And then ila suqi. Ila is a preposition. And if a preposition comes before the noun, it makes the noun in the majrurun case, in the accusative case. Over here, as-suqi is majrurun with this visible kasra in the end. Okay, so as-suqi is majrurun and Muhammadun is marfu'un. So now let's look at the next example. Hamidun talibun mujtahidun. Hamid is a hardworking student. So here, Hamidun, as we studied before, is the subject of the sentence because we are talking about Hamid. In Arabic, we say it is mubtada, right? And the mubtada here is marfu'un, as we can see by its tanween dhamma ending. And what's the khabar? What is the news about Hamid? It is that he is a student. So talibun is the khabar. And its marker is the tanween dhamma also, right? So it is the khabar and it is marfu'un. Okay, so, and what is mujtahidun? It is the adjective. He is a hard-working student. It is the adjective describing the student. And as we shall see in future lessons, the adjective is going to match the case of the noun that it modifies. And that is why it also has a tanween dhamma. And mujtahidun is also marfu'un. So the next sentence is Aminatu bintun jamilatun. So it means Amina is a beautiful girl. So again, what is the mubtada or the subject of the sentence? It is Aminatu. And it shows its marfu'un ending with the dhamma at the end. And what is the khabar here? So we say Amina is a girl. So the khabar is bintun because it completes the sentence, right? So bintun is the khabar and we see its sign with the marfu'un ending with the double dhamma. Okay? And jamilatun is the adjective describing the girl, right? So adjective is jamilatun, and as we shall study adjective later, it matches the case of the noun, which is why it is also ending with the tanween dhamma and it is also marfu'un. So more examples here in this sentence. Ra'aytu Muhammadan fi suqi. It means I saw Muhammad in the market. Ra'aytu is a verb. And the subject I is included in the verb as we shall study in future lessons. So I saw what? I saw Muhammadan, which makes Muhammadan the object of the verb. And how do we see the function object in the word? By the ending of the tanween fatha. So Muhammadan is mansubun. It is in the accusative case because it is the object of this verb. Okay. Fi means in and it is a preposition. And when a preposition comes before a noun, it makes the noun in the majrurun case, right? So it is fisuki. That's why it has the kasra ending. because it is majrurun. So as-suqi is majrurun and Muhammadan is marfu'un. The next sentence is Kam dularan indaka. It means how much dollars do you have? Kam means how much. It is a particle, InshaAllah, to be studied in future lessons. But the word after kam is a quantity and it is mansubun, as we can see with the double fatha. Okay? And indaka. Inda means have. And ka is an attached pronoun that we will study in upcoming lessons. It means you. So it means you have. Okay? And the next sentence is something we're all familiar with. It is the shahada. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. I bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his servant and his messenger. So ashhadu is a verb, okay, and again verbs in the future, but the subject here is included in the verb, which is I. Okay, I bear witness. Anna. Anna is a particle. It means that, InshaAllah, to be studied in future lessons. But for now, it is enough to know that the word after Anna is Mansub. That's why Muhammadan comes. It comes with the double fatha. It is Mansubun, okay, because it came after the particle Anna, which made it Mansub. I bear witness that Muhammad abduhu, it is his servant. Okay, attached pronouns is coming up in a very future lesson. It means his servant. Okay, and waw is and then rasuluhu, his messenger. Again, who is an attached pronoun. It means his messenger. Let's take now some examples for the genitive case. So here, ala Muhammadin. Ala is a preposition to mean on, and it makes the noun after it in the majruran case, in the genitive case, which is why it has this tanween kasra at the end. Ala Muhammadin. So Muhammadin is majrur because the preposition ala came before it. So in the next sentence, it is Hadha kitabu Muhammadin. It means this is the book of Muhammad. So book of Muhammad is a possessive construction, which we will study in an upcoming lesson. And in possessive constructions like this, the noun, the second noun, becomes majrurun. Again, this is something you don't have to worry about in this lesson, but this is just showing you an example of a majrurun case. Okay? The next sentence is as-sa'atu ala sariri. The watch is on the bed. So here, as-sa'atu is marfu'un because it ends with a dhamma, but sariri is majrurun. It ends with a kasra. Why? Because it has been preceded by this preposition ala, on. Okay? Ayyu yawmin haza. It means which day is this? And ayyu yawmin is also a possessive type of construction, which we will study in upcoming lessons. But ayyu means which. And as I said, it's a possessive type of construction, which is why yawmin is majroor. Okay? So which day is this? And the next sentence is very similar. It is ayyu shahrin haza, which means which month is this? If you are regular with watching the 2 or 3 short videos that I post per week, you will succeed in mastering Quranic Arabic, InshaAllah. If this video benefited you, please do like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching these short videos. Subhanaka wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.